Welcome to day 3 of What Broke People Don't Know About Making Money. Today is the information gap. Let me tell you a quick story. A few months ago, I was sitting on the couch, exhausted, the kind of tired where your body feels heavy and your thoughts feel stuck. So what did I do? Well, like most people, I opened up Netflix and started watching a show that I've already seen like twice. But as the episodes rolled on, I couldn't shake a feeling deep inside. I was wasting time that I'll never get back, and I'm still broke. That night I started asking questions, the kind most people avoid. Why is it that so many people are working hard but barely surviving? Why are some people breaking free and building wealth while the rest of us are stuck in this constant grind? That's when I learned about the information gap. It's not about how hard you work, it's about what you know. The broke binge content, the wealthy binge strategy. And right now, there's no shortage of opportunity out there. You've probably seen them. Side hustles everywhere. Big ticket courses, coaching, Amazon FBA, affiliate programs. But how do you know which one to choose? Here's what nobody tells you. You don't need to spend thousands to get started. You don't need fancy funnels or hours of training. You don't need to fake it till you make it. That's why I chose something simple like this $10 club. Why? It fits the budget. It's willable, generational income, no selling required to earn, and you get real products at real value. And profit sharing, just for being a member. While others are chasing fast cash, I'm building passive income on a platform that actually makes sense. Is it flashy? No. Is it honest, accessible, and growing like crazy? Absolutely. So here's what I'll say. If you're overwhelmed, don't fall for the hype. Don't let all the noise confuse you. Do your research, trust your gut. Pick a platform that makes sense to you. If you're tired of being stuck, start consuming the right information, not the kind that numbs you in a world of chaos, the kind that frees you. This is your sign. If you're curious and feeling stuck, I'll show you exactly how I got started with this $10 club. Because knowledge isn't power, applied knowledge is freedom. If you're ready to close this gap, comment info and I'll show you the next steps. Start binging the strategies that will change your life. Stay tuned for day 4.